Hi, the purpose of this video is to show you how to install the Broan-NuTone RDM2 radiation damper with Broan-NuTone fans. Pictured here is the complete assembled radiation damper attached to the can. What comes with the unit? In the upper left hand corner you'll find a frame. Next, you'll find a motor bracket, a drywall mask, the radiation damper, the instruction sheet, and a parts bag. First things first, remove the fan assembly. Take a regular screwdriver and pry up on the bracket of that motor assembly, and you can lift the blower assembly straight out. You can go ahead and grab that blower assembly, and we're going to install the motor bracket. And to do that, you're going to place the bracket over the two motor studs. And that bracket, make sure that bracket goes in between the plastic housing like so, like in the video. You're going to fasten that bracket down by using two nuts that's provided in the parts bag. Go ahead and put both nuts on. Grab a nut driver and tighten till they're snug. Next, you're going to go ahead and install that duct damper connector into the housing. Take note that the duct connector has some notches on it, and you're going to feed the damper out of the housing and lock it into place like so. You're then going to take a screw that is provided in the parts bag. This is a 1/4 inch head screw. I like using a nut driver to tighten this screw down. Next step, you're going to take that motor assembly and you're going to reinstall it back into that housing. You should be able to just line it up and drop it down inside that housing. You're then going to take two screws and you're going to put them through that bracket that you just installed. And these screws are 1/4 inch head screws. Again, came inside that parts bag. Just tighten till snug. You can go ahead then and grab that frame. That frame that you see in the video, that harness comes with it. It's for lit units. We are not using a lighted unit. Therefore, I removed it. And next step is you're going to install 4 clips onto that frame. You're just going to push the clips up in until you hear it click. And you're going to do that to all 4 sides of this radiation damper bracket. Give them a tight pull and see if they come off. They should not. Next, you're just going to take this frame and set it over so the clips are on the outside of the housing. You're going to take note where each clip is. There's going to be a indentation in the housing. You're going to take a 1/8 inch drill bit and you're going to pre-drill a hole, and you're going to do this on all 4 sides of this housing. So by every dimple where that clip lines up to. you're going to go ahead and set that frame on that housing again. And you're going to grab 4 screws provided and fasten that frame with the clips to the housing. Again, this is a 1/4 inch nut driver. Next, you're going to grab the radiation damper. Take note on that radiation damper that there's an arrow, and it'll say this side up. So what you're going to do is you're going to place that radiation damper inside that unit like so, just like in the video, what they're showing you here. And it should slide right in. Next, you're going to fasten that radiation damper with 2 screws provided. It'll be 2 screws on each side. Once the screws are in place, give it a shake. It should not separate. It should not come apart. It should be nice and solid for you. Next, you can put the drywall mask in if you're going to do some drywalling to prevent drywall getting inside the unit. And if not, you can go ahead and you can plug the unit in and you can put the grill in. These are V-spring grill springs. And you're going to take your pointing finger and your thumb and you're going to squeeze them together and you're going to put them in the notches that are provided. And that's all it is. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.